Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show a demo on one frequently asked interview question in SQL on joins. How joins will behave when same values exist in two tables in SQL. So we know there are different types of joins: inner join, left join, right join, and full join in SQL. So when the values of the two tables are similar, how these joins will act? That is what I will show in this demo. So here I have two tables A and B. It contains only one column and 3 is the value of the, in A it is 2 rows and in B it is 3 rows. Both having the same values as 3, value 3. Now we will show apply the inner join on these two tables. First I am writing the inner join. Then arm condition a dot id is equal to b dot id. So we know inner join will pick the matching records between two tables. Now if you apply the unjoin on condition on id, it will pick 6 records because it is there are two columns have the same values and in one table, and three rows have the same values in same column. That way it will pick 2 into 3, that is 6 records. 6 records are the matching records. So if you apply the same for left join, what left join will do? Left join will pick other than the matching records, it will pick the non-matching rows from the left table. So here everything is matched. So in A table, here it is the left table, B table is the right table. Now here everything is matched here. So in this case, how left join will work? It will also extract 6 records, 6 rows from two tables. Now right join, as per the behavior, it will pick the other than matching records, it will pick the records rows from the right table, and corresponding value it is showing in the left table as the null. uh, Now if you apply the right join, it will also pick the same 6 records. Finally full join it will both pick both matching and non-matching records. So it will combinedly shows as 6 records. Now I am doing some correction here, some manipulation. I am inserting one data insert into uh, A values. In A column I'm inserting one more row with null value. Now it is one row affected. If you see, A has 3 rows, B also has 3 rows. So what will happen if you apply the inner join here? As per its behavior, it will pick only matching records. So that means it will pick only 6 records. If you go for it will pick matching records and non-matching record of the from the left table. It will pick 7 records because the left table is there is null value. It is not matched in any of the corresponding right table. That's why it will pick null, and a corresponding value as it behaves, it will show null value. So if you pick the right join here, how many records it could be? It could be only the 6 records because there is no non-matching records from the right table. If you apply the full join, it will show 7 records. So I am inserting null value again in B table. Now if you show, if you check the tables, uh, null as appeared in 2 tables. So that is matching record. So what will happen if you apply the inner join? Inner join, it will put only matching records. So I am applying inner join where the null value is there in 2 tables. It will pick only 6 records. So it doesn't consider null as the integer value, null as the database type value. That way it will pick only 6 records. If you apply the left join it will pick only 7 records. Right join also it will pick 7 records. When you apply the full join, if you it will pick both, both null values, that is 8 records. So null, SQL doesn't consider null as the value at the time of the matching in any joins except in full join. Full join automatically it will pick both matching and non-matching columns. That doesn't matter. So in inner join it doesn't pick the null value here. Now I am removing the null value here. Delete a where id is equal to null. Zero rows id is null. id is null. One row effect. I'm deleting same in the B table also. Null record. Now we don't have any null values here. Now I am inserting one more value called 1 in B table and, and 0 in A table. Sorry, both 1 as A table as. So if you check, there are one more matching record, it is appeared. Now if you apply the inner join and all these joins in these two tables, now I am first step applying the inner join. If you apply the inner join, how many records it will appear? 3 into 2 into 2 matching records, 3 values into 3, 2 into 3 6 and 1 into 1, that is 1. Total 7 records we will get. See here, all these are matching records. Now if you apply the left join, it will pick both as usual. Right join, everything is 7 records. Now I'm changing the I'm deleting the value of 1 from one table. We will see what will happen. Delete a where id is equal to 1. We will see what happens. Check the table here. So in A table it's only 2 records, and B table it's 4 records. Additionally, one record is added. Now I am applying the inner join. Inner join will pick just 6 records because only matching records it will pick 6 records. So when you go for left join also, it doesn't make any change. Pick only 6 records. Right join will differ here. How many records will take here? Both, other than matching records, it will also pick the one value, that is 7 records. Because in right table there is new record loaded with value of different value, that is 1, and corresponding we don't have any matching record. That's why it show in the left table as a null. So in full join, it will take 7 records, both matching and unmatching records. So this is how you need to answer. First, you need to know the logics of left, right, and the inner joins, how they act in SQL. So based on that, you need to check the values from the two tables and consider and remember the null. If you have null table in two tables, it doesn't consider as the integer. It doesn't take the matching records to consider at the time of the null values. So this is how you need to answer. Hope this video will help you to in knowing this the inner join, left join, right join, and full join concept, how they behave when there are same values in two tables. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.